Unless they give it to me.
Man, I'm waiting on this car, man. You been with the truck, right?
That's what I picked. What do you pick?
Man, I gotta go against you because you done made me come all the way over here. I'm going against you, man.
The truck had night.
I wish. Oh, it do? Oh, shit. I heard. Okay. Okay, you got it right. You got it right for once. You finally. I was about to bet you.
They need a new popcorn maker.
Yeah.
Hell, your drone could outrun it. You could beat him in the drone.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I really want some corn, man.
Yeah, the drone can outrun it.
Yeah.
There's your buddies over there, look.
Oh, you see my buddies? You know where my buddies at?
Yeah, over here.
Oh, I got buddies. I got buddies over there.
But they were dancing and then they wanted to know who you were.
Yeah, they was dancing and then they wanted to know.
Sign autographs.
I need to sign autographs. What?
They buy the merchandise and then you sign it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
What happened? Oh, they messed something up there.
There's your buddies.
So how many videos have you recorded since you started?
1,600.
When did you start? How many years ago?
3 years ago.
Huh. So how much was it to do that? Like, start your own channel?
It was free.
It was?
Yeah.
I didn't know if you have like a certain thing you have to...
I just woke up. I said I'm gonna record.
Oh, you just decided you wanted to do that?
Hey, what the taco and his photo?
That's pretty good, yeah.
The truck chewed the popcorn maker up. I was telling him the drone can outrun the popcorn maker. Pop, 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 pop.
What you eat? You didn't eat nothing?
No, I'm good. So you just woke up one day and you're like, I'm gonna do this. Everybody knows you. You're famous.
You think so?
Yep.
I don't think so.
No, I think he been wanting to do this.
Yeah, I was looking for some way to do.
Just
Yeah.
up the party.
When I was little, I wanted to be a jingle writer.
So you're
Like
gonna do
Jamie
the
Foxx.
Olympics?
The Olympics.
Yeah, like, cause don't you do other event things? Man, you could be. You could record and do the Cowboys, but you don't want Jerry on there.
Oh, I ain't gonna want Jerry on there?
No, he tells everyone what to do.
Oh, okay. I don't like nobody telling me what to do.
He tells everybody. He's not a coach.
Oh, okay. So what else? Tell me something else good, man. You met Jerry John before?
I've seen him once, but I never actually talked to him.
Oh, you ain't talked to him?
No.
You was scared or what?
No, he
All right, look out, man.
All right, look out. Have a good night.
Here comes Funky Town.
What fucking is this? Funky Town. Funky Town been losing all night.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know.
Funky Town.
Well,
Hey man, that goddamn raptor, that goddamn truck rolling ain't new there.
yeah.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
the popcorn maker is no good.
Hey,
Looks like he was lost.
Lord of the Rings.
What?
They say you giving me an interview.
And taking a survey for math class.
You
You can do a lot of things.
You think you can interview me?
Nah, you gotta hold the camera and ask him the question. And interview him.
Now, what questions would you ask me if you was to interview me?
I don't know. I'd have to write them down.
Oh yeah.
A list of 20 questions.
Man,
Well, let's think of one or two together right now. Let's think of something.
man, you can make a year. You can make a year. You put that all together, all those videos. It'd probably take a year to watch those videos.
It'll take a year to watch all my videos.
Probably.
Yeah. Because, well,
Probably.
yeah,
Probably got a year's
Tell
worth.
you how many hours you got on your shit though, right?
yeah.
You can make
Hell
a video
nah, that
and
ain't a year.
everyone. I'd buy it
How many days it say worth of shit?
because you went to the redneck paycheck.
It's a long time, but a year, goddamn it.
You got about a year's worth probably.
What? That is a lot of videos.
That's a
fuck with
lot of watching.
Huh?
Can you fuck with Chucky?
And what? Nah,
Either one of your cars?
my Mustang, but when I get it right,
Yeah. He said you won't get up there, man.
not with that caprice.
With the Mustang, though, I got faith in you.
Me too.
I'll be right back.
Two girls, one cook. Now, listen, you remember? Well, them grill ain't so good today. Hey, Lord of the Rings!
He remind me of that Nord Ward. His name Nord Ward.